Ngiyanibingelela, gama lami Senzokunhle Khumalo, ngi-artist ne-graphic designer. I've started drawing since I was still a child, for 17 years plus, and during that time I've been studying drawing for the longest. Even during school, I've been continuing my progress with drawing. So as time passed, I was able to master my skill in understanding light and dark of arts, and just knowing how to draw people and knowing how to use a pencil and pen. And I've had classes where teachers were able to teach me how to draw, and it's a big privilege for me to learn and to grasp certain skills I was not able to understand during the time. As you can see, I have pen drawings. I was also taught how to do that, including painting and digital designs. And now I'm very grateful to have been able to know what I was doing at the time. And last week Saturday, I've won third place for a drawing competition for the Mbombela Stadium event. I won third place, and it was a very wonderful experience. I'm very grateful to have entered the competition, and I'm willing to go further with my art career. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys keep in touch with me. My Instagram is Son of Chuchu. TikTok is Senzokunhle V-Loan, and my cell phone number is 082-782-3831. Hope we can keep in touch. Thank you very much.